all right. Mic check 1 2 1 2. So this is the Nasdaq, right? This is a daily chart. So before we go into the lower time frames, let's just focus on this weekly. So as you see here, we have my mouse was freezing. So you see here we have these two down close candles, these two bearish candles right here, right, which is aka a order block. I don't know why my it's working super slow right now. Anyway, so you see how it actually, and then we have coupled with this little fair value gap. So we have this two down closed candles, aka order block. Once it closes above, this validated these changes in the state, coupled with this fair value gap. As you see, we ran up, create all-time high. So you see, we come back down, right? Tap right, we literally tap right into this fair value gap. See it? And then you see we literally come into this down closed candle. So it tapped into a higher time frame PD array, which is a weekly fair value gap coupled with this weekly change in state, aka order block. And you see how it expanded away, right? So I'm expecting it to come take these all-time highs. So that's what I was expecting for the morning session of today. So if we just go down to a 1 minute time frame this morning, and this zone right here, this is a daily SIBI, a daily fair value gap, bearish. As you see here, this is what we were rejecting off of this zone right here. This is a SIBI. You see we got back above it. So we're going to lower time frame. I was looking for it to do like some little lower time frame sweep and then to head up higher. So this is 9:30 to 12, my trading window. So you see here, we actually get above. So we got this new weak opening gap right here. You see how we're literally underneath it. It comes back up, back down, back above, generating this high right here. So this is like around 3:30 in the morning. So we coming down, we tap into this new weak opening gap. You see how we left a short term we left a short term low here, and we have another this is an intermediate term low, and then we have another short term low on a higher time frame. So you see how this is on a 15-minute time frame. You see how we rally up, then market open right here. This is 9 o'clock. We create this 15-minute fair value gap, right? Coupled with this order block change in the state. So we make this 15-minute. I don't know what's wrong with my computer. It's just moving super slow today. We actually pull right back into this these two down close candles, just like we saw in that weekly time frame, which is the close above, change in the state, aka order block. This is a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. You see 9:30 open. We come literally right down here, sweeping out these small little internals, and then rally up. Then we create this first presented fair value gap. So you see how we have a fair value gap right here. But so a suspension block is basically when you have two volume imbalances coupled with the order block. Two volume imbalances coupled with the fair value gap, right? So you see here, comes down, holds, rallies away, come back down. You see how we're staying in the upper half, respecting this change in the state right here. These multiple down close candles, close above. You see how it respects this change in the state, rally up, and then it just literally rallying. So I was expecting it to come target this all-time buy side, but you see here we didn't get it yet. So that's what I was expecting today. So I thought it was going to come down and come here a little bit lower first, maybe taking out these double lows before it went up higher, but the market literally just ran up, and just kept running up because we're so close to all-time highs. All-time highs are literally right here. So that's what I was thinking about, right? I didn't take no trade today. No trade today because I was expecting it to actually come lower first. I was expecting it to actually come a little bit lower first, maybe come into this new week opening gap, then rally up higher. But you see, we just hit here and rallied, respected this first presented fair value gap, which is a suspension block, has two volume imbalances on both sides. Respects it, rallies away, respects it again. So I just played it safe and just tape read price action and really didn't give me no real good entry, and it's a no news Monday, so it's a low probability day. So I just sat back and just charted everything. My computer's literally moving super slow. I don't know why it's lagging and staticking right now. But anyways, so that was the trade recap for today. You see how it pulled back to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. You see how it stays in the upper half. Don't have the willingness to come in the lower half. Don't have the willingness to disrespect this 1 minute change in the state. Rally up, respect the suspension block, coupled with the fair value gap, rally, come back, rally, and you see we just get a nice trending day. We leaving fair value gaps open, getting used as breakaway gaps. You see multiple fair value gaps being used, being left unmitigated, right? Which is unmitigated, it just hasn't come back into it to touch the zone. As you see, none of these fair value gaps are being touched, and we're above the midnight open and 8:30 open, so we're above our opening prices, letting us know that we may have a trending day. So I'm expecting these targets to get hit, but of course, it's not just gonna just run up and up and up and up. So you drop from the low to the high. So you kind of, respecting maybe a little retracement, right, before hitting all-time highs. But if not, we're so close to it, it might just end up going to get it. So that's, we go to a daily chart. Let's just delete everything on a daily chart right quick to see where can it possibly end up going. So you see we're right here. We're so close to all-time highs, which is literally right here. So we're probably going to end up getting this tonight during Asia or London session. You see we have this new day opening gap. Right, and then if we end up closing above here, we're going to create a fair value gap. And like I said, this is an inverse, so I'm expecting it to hold some support at this zone right here. Because if you're bullish, you want to see it disrespect bearish things, right? And this is a bearish fair value gap. And now that I got above it, I'm looking forward to break above, come back, retest it, and keep running up. So yeah, we're still super bullish, right? And that's my actual trade recap. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.